Got it.
Oh, it went out. Kind of windy, bro. I know. I don't want to get close to this thing. Hold on, 2 sticks. Oh,
good job.
Third time's the charm. Hold on. Huh.
Doesn't look like it's working.
Well, one's still, Andy, it's lit.
There it goes.
Hold on, you can wait for it, dude. That thing could go any second. Put a little shrimp on the barbie. Oh yeah.
It's not ready yet, bro.
They're all kebabs, man.
No.
Should like what do we got in the mailbox today?
Dude, close it, let all the smoke build up in it, dude. Then open it.
Gonna go boom.
It's all like pouring out the bottom.
Not that fast though.
I know.
It's melting.
That was pretty thick. Watch this. No, yeah, it smells like sulfur.
Reach in there and get it, Chuck.
Reach in there and get it, Chuck.
Get it.
Hello. You want double function?
Chuck it, man. Chuck it.
Chuck it, Chuck.
Just chuck it in there.
Andy, I can't do my wrist hurts.
Here.
Oh, I got this.
I got it. Well, it's done now. Oh, dude, it's just on fire now.
Dude, you just killed it.
He's gonna throw it.
Put it in the water, man.
No, is it killed or is it going to the next level now?
I don't know. It blew out its butt. Is this stuff flammable over here?
What is that? Apple pie? And cupcakes and ice cream. Yeah, buddy. You ready? Pop and smoke!
I think it's throwing a grenade out or something.
Charlie! That's pretty cool.
Now that's cool.
Come in.
Is it, Mom?
Hello. Hello, buddy. Oh no.
All those are muscle on
Someone's coming down!
All right, what we got here is we got parachute in action. Little parachute guy that shoots up. Let's do this.
Oh, they got screwed. Good job, Ariel.
I got him. He's right here. The parachute guy.
Go show that to Phantom for checking.
All right, we got 2 away.
Open up. There it is. Oh.
Is that thing all ripped up?
He's going down, Paul. Get him.
Careful, don't twist your ankle. Hey. All right.
Good catch, Paul.
Looks like some of my baseball. Uh-oh.
Are you gonna hold it or stick it in the ground?
Let's go. Man.
Alright, come here.
Oh, where's the third one?
Paul, where?
What?
Where? Okay, just go grab it and go in the boxes. Try not to grab the biggest one.
Oh, okay.
Higher.
Rolling out of smoke.
Back up, guys.
There, guys. Come on.
What is this thing? Oh my god, what was that?
Yeah, I was
Get back.
get ready, kids, just in case. Y'all ready?
Yeah.
Contact.
There she goes.
What is it?
The Ray Ray.
Ray Ray.
Oh, wow. Oh,
Yeah, buddy.
oh, I got hit with one now.
That little kid.
Oh, look out behind you, bro.
No, you're good.
Came over here to put his goggles on. It's like,
Yeah, somebody could have.
ready for stuff on your eyes, guys.
In the arm. Yeah.
Oh, that was a palm tree. Ooh. One.
Record.
Keep going, Shane.
Flash. Look at the flash
Do you have yours working?
What?
Did you have yours working?
They went to get Andrew's lighter.
Oh, okay.
Andy, light this thing for him.
Keep going, Shane. That was cool.
Come on, Doug.
Can I see her?
Come on, Tyler.
Looks like a cave.
Cool. That's pretty cool.
Tyler, go inside. Do a bunch of stuff. Let me get a picture of you. Face this way.
Shane, go over there by Ty.
I think we're good on the shrubs, bro.
Tyler, do quickly, fast. Write your name with it.
Stuff. You guys seeing stuff too from that? You see like the trail thing? You see the like the line?
Go throw it in the bucket of water.
Oh, Tyler's is pretty cool. Look at Tyler's.
Like if he moves it real fast, look at the line it leaves.
Look.
Your eye.
The grand finale?
Yeah, probably.
Look, Chuck.
Yeah, see, that's exactly what I'm seeing right now. Like,
Yeah.
Triple.
Write your name, Tyler.
just point it over to the side.
Hey, Shane, make a square. Uh-oh.
That's so cool.
Watch out, Ty.
Really? Pulling over those people, really?
Get away, Paul. No, stand over, Paul.
I can't have a piece of that big cookie.